Why pay for expensive PDF software when you can edit PDFs for free? One of the best free PDF editors for Windows in 2026 is Light PDF. Just open any browser and search for Light PDF, then open the website to access its full collection of PDF tools. Once you're on the home page, click on the Explore All Tools option. Scroll down until you find the Edit PDF tool, then click on it and upload your document by selecting Choose Files. After your PDF is uploaded, you'll gain access to a variety of editing features. You can add text, insert images, highlight content, annotate pages, add shapes, and make other changes directly within the document. The editor is simple to use and doesn't require any software installation. Whether you're updating reports, reviewing documents, editing forms, or making quick changes to PDFs, everything can be done right from your browser in just a few clicks. Once you're done editing, simply click the Download button to save the updated PDF to your device. Your edited document will be ready to use within seconds.